Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful Amigurumi doll free ideas, crochet doll free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Beautiful ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful crochet frock wearing ideas, crochet jumper wearing ideas. Mind-blowing pattern, different variety, stylish ideas. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. Very nice, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet fingerless gloves, crochet bag, crochet cat bed, dog sweater, and different pattern free ideas. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.